Okay, I'm going to work on number 1 in worksheet 3C. You should always read through the problems and make sure you understand what it is you're trying to find. And here it says you want to calculate the concentration. So our question mark, what we're trying to find is the concentration or the molarity of KMnO4. Okay? Now what you're given is you have this double salt, and I'm just going to write DS because I'm too lazy to write that big long thing. And I have 3.47 grams of that. It's mixed in 200 milliliters of water, and 20 milliliters is used, right? And then I have potassium permanganate, and I use 12.6 milliliters of that. Okay, so I'm going to start with the mass of the double salt, and so I have 3.47 grams of this double salt, and I figured out its molar mass, which is 392.05 grams of the double salt is 1 mole. So this is going to give me 0.008851 moles of the double salt. I'm going to take those moles of double salt and figure out the concentration of that solution, because I put it in 200 milliliters of water. So that's going to be its moles over liters, so I have 0.00851 moles of the double salt, and I put it in 200 milliliters, which is 0.2 liters, so that's going to give me 0.04425 molar of the double salt. Okay, so I used 20 milliliters of that, right? So if I take, I want to know how many moles that is. So moles is going to be molarity times liter. I have 0.04425 molar, and I have 0.020 liters. And if I multiply that out, I get 8.85 times 10 to the minus 4th moles of the double salt. Okay, now I can use a little stoic. I have 8.85 times 10 to the minus 4th moles of the double salt, and what I know is there's 5 moles of the double salt in 1 mole of potassium permanganate. So that's going to be 1.770 times 10 to the minus 4th moles of potassium permanganate. And in order to get molarity, it's moles over liters, so I'm just going to put that over liters, which is 0.0126 liters, which comes from the 12.6 milliliters, and that's going to give me 0.0140 molar potassium permanganate. All right.